Welcome to Deacons Martial Arts and Fitness. I'm Mark Deacon, and I'm going to really quickly explain to you what we do and why you might want to subscribe to us, okay? So first off, we do lots of short tutorials, tips, tricks, how to do cool kicks, and all those fancy things you've always wanted to be able to do. We also offer kind of full beginners classes online, so 20, 30-minute lessons, both normally in our dojo where I am now, and then also themed ones for the little kids. So we kind of themed backgrounds, Ninja Turtles, animated fun stuff like that to keep them more engaged and learning better that way. We also offer adults and ladies only classes and self-defense sessions, tips, tutorials, seminars, stuff like that. For those that want to take it further and they want to follow a guided curriculum, work towards belts, and maybe even one day become a black belt themselves, we also have a full filmed syllabus along with how-tos, tutorials. We break it down in masses of detail for all age and ability levels to kind of build you up through the grades and get you from complete beginner to absolute legend. All we need you to do now though is just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you know when we post something new, and have a look around, see what I've already got uploaded, and there's loads more to come.